Phonological and phonemic awareness. Hello, aspiring educators. Welcome to your essential guide for mastering phonological and phonemic awareness, key content in your teacher certification exam. Ready to get fully prepped? Let's begin this auditory adventure. First, by understanding that phonological awareness is your toolkit for recognizing and manipulating the broader sounds of spoken language, from rhymes to syllables to alliterations. Phonemic awareness zooms in further, focusing on the individual sounds, or phonemes, that make up words. It's crucial for decoding written language. Remember, phonemic awareness is a subset of phonological awareness, each playing a critical role in reading development. Next, let's have a refresher on the historical context and importance of phonological and phonemic awareness. In the late 20th century, researchers like Isabel Lieberman illuminated phonemic awareness's vital role in reading and spelling. Their pioneering studies established that early phonemic awareness is a strong predictor of later reading success. This research bridged the gap during the reading wars, advocating for a balanced approach that includes both phonics and whole language learning, with a strong emphasis on the sounds of language. Moving forward, let's talk about strategies to teach phonological awareness. First, start with word awareness by asking students to identify words as separate meaning units. For example, question how many words are in the sentence. The cat is sleeping. Progress to syllable awareness, such as clapping out the syllables in elephant. Use word and syllable blending activities to build their ability to connect spoken language to reading. When teaching phonemic awareness, start by isolating individual sounds in words to enhance decoding skills. Start by helping a student identify the initial sound in a word. For example, asking, "What is the beginning sound of bat?" And the student should respond with the sound B. Next, introduce sound blending by saying the separate sounds in bat, like B, A, T, and asking the student to merge these sounds to form the word bat. Engage students in sound identity, teaching them to recognize the same sounds in different words. For instance, what sound is common in man, mouse, and moon? Answer, M sound. Substitution, helping students change one sound in a word to create a new word. Like, if you change the B in bat to C, what new word do you get? Answer, cat. Sound deletion, encouraging them to remove a sound to form a new word. For example, what word remains if you remove the S from star? Answer, tar. Sound segmentation, teaching them to break a word into its individual sounds, such as having the student articulate each sound in bat as B, A, T. These activities are critical for developing the ability to manipulate sounds, which is essential for reading proficiency and phonics mastery. Now, let's move to the phonemic awareness phonics connection. Understanding individual sounds is the precursor to phonics, where students learn the relationship between letters and sounds. Use phonemic awareness activities to introduce phonics concepts. For example, after successfully blending sounds to form a word, introduce the written form of the word, linking spoken sounds to their letter representations. On test day, you'll be required to demonstrate your understanding for providing effective reading strategies for diverse learners. For struggling readers and students with special needs, focus on reteaching missing skills and using concrete examples. English learners might need extra help with non-transferable sounds, like the H sound in English. Advanced learners can benefit from increased instruction pace and more complex tasks. In order to provide effective assessments in phonological and phonemic awareness, use entry-level assessments to gauge initial understanding, progress monitoring assessments to check ongoing understanding, and summative assessments to evaluate comprehension at the end of instruction. Your exam will likely present you with a question about providing effective assessments, so look for solutions that tailor future lessons based on assessment data to ensure all students develop strong phonological and phonemic awareness. In today's lesson, you learned phonological awareness helps students recognize sounds in spoken language, from rhymes to syllables. Phonemic awareness allows students to identify and manipulate individual phonemes, which are vital for decoding words. Progression to phonics phonemic awareness is essential for linking sounds to their corresponding letters, forming the basis for phonics, which underpins reading and writing. Adapting for all learners. We explored strategies that adapt to every student's needs, ensuring that whether they're just starting out or moving ahead quickly, their learning is supported and successful. Fantastic work today, educator. Unlock full access to your teacher certification test prep at teacherpreps.com to take your phonological and phonemic awareness practice test now, so you are 100% prepared for test day.